Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bingo from CoComelon. So let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Now that we have that circle in, I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So I have my two circles in. I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So with my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, about right here. Just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw the nose. So I'm going to come, let's say about here. I'm going to draw a big curve right in the center. Come down right about there. I'm going to round off the tip, the edge, the corners, and then connect it in the center. A wide V. There. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw oval right at the top for a highlight. And then shade everything else in. Just so you can see a little bit better. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw a straight line down the center. So we're going to start the mouth. Straight line down the center, and then we're going to go up nice and wide for a very big happy smile. So I'm going to bring it probably to about the center of the eye. I'm going to go up nice and wide. It's easier for my hand, go this way, cap it off, and same thing over here. So go towards the center of the eye, just like the other side, and cap it off. They're so happy, right? And then let's see here, let's come in between, and we're just going to draw a tongue about right here, not too long, so I'll say about here, and connect. And then in the center, I'm just going to draw a little line. So then from there, we need to open it up. I almost forgot. Let's come back into this space, and we're just going to fill it in. Just draw a curve. There. I forgot if I should shade this in black, but I'm just going to do that now so we can see a little bit better. But it might be like a darkish maroon red burgundy, but for now we'll just do that. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Very close to the eye. Same thing over here, about here. And we're going to basically draw, let's see, a bottom of a U, but more angled up here. So let's go ahead and where the eyes are, we're going to angle out. So same thing here, just angle out on both sides, about there. And then we're going to come around. So let's say we want our bottom to be about right here. So I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. So I'm going to come out right here for some cheeks, nice and round, and then start to bring it in. So when you're drawing pretty big, it's much easier if you give yourself points so you know where you're going. So same thing here, cheek area, we're nice and round, and then we're just going to bring this in. There. And then let's see, now let's bring this up and say about right there. We're gonna go up for the head and come in, and then about right there I'm going to poof out and zigzag a little bit for some strands that come up, pop up, and then connect everything. There. Now we have Bingo's head in. Then of course we need to draw his ears. So I'll say about, let's say about right here. I'm going to start with a curve going up to about right there, round off the tip and bring it down. And let's come back right here with a curve and same thing over here. So we're just going to drag some points across, approximate. So about right here where the eyes are. And once again, we're going to go up. And I'll just drag this across. So approximately. Round off the tip and bring it back down to my point. And once again, come right about here and draw a curve. There. Then from there, let's see here. Now we need to draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw an angle line and center the body. And I'll bring this out. Bring it out. And let's see here. Before we finish that, let's come back here. And I'm going to draw a curve right across for the collar. And then let's see. Let's bring this down and come in. And come in. So then about right here on both sides, I'll give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to start to draw the front legs. I'm going to curve in towards the center, about right there, and then about here. Let's go ahead and without passing the center, I'm going to come down. So same thing here, out and down, just creating that little curve right here for the front paws. So then let's bring this down and connect. There. So same thing over here. Curve. Come down. And connect. There. And then we're going to draw some curves right here for some detail. And then whatever space you have left, I'm just going to go draw a little line right there. Then for the back, let's come about right here. I'm going to pop out a curve to about there, and then I'm going to pop in the back foot. So just a curve and just bring it in to simplify it. And 2 curves. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Just like the other side, bring it down. And about right there, once again, I'm going to pop out a curve. And connect. And a tail, of course. So say about right here. I'm going to pop out a tail, round off the tip, and bring it in. There. And last but not least, we need to draw the cute tag, so that has Bingo on it. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll draw a little line, and then it's connected with a circle for a ring, and then another line coming down. And so then about right here, I'm going to connect it with a straight line, and we're going to start to draw our bone. So 2 curves for our bone tag, and another one here, and connect again. There. And then we need to write the word bingo. So B I N. Make sure I have enough room. G N Oh, barely made it, but we did it. And let's see here. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to add a heart. Let's add it right here to make this my Draw So Cute Bingo puppy from CoComelon. I really hope you love how he turned out, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.